Hello, my beautiful nail family. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and we are back with another exciting video. This spooky season has been more than exciting. So I quickly wanted to show you some goodies Susie sent over. As a part of their Manicurist Growth Program, monthly, they send all sorts of goodies meant to test and strengthen your nail game. But y'all, I was not prepared for these Qcoat fully cured nail strips. Let's get into all the magic. So before I start gushing, y'all, if you are freaking out and you want to grab these, use my code RAVENS12 to get yourself 12% off. All of those coins and savings, they are definitely worth it. Everything, including the links for these gorgeous Qcoat strips, will be in the description box below. And an extra thank you to Otis for sending this out. I am so excited to be a part of this program. Honestly, I didn't even know that this magical thing existed until Susie reached out, and now that I've been a part of it for a few months now, I am so impressed with Susie's quality and the sheer brilliance behind everything that they do. Recently, they came out with this Juliver polish. To me, I was just losing it. It was the perfect Korean mix of a syrup polish, but just period. Their HEMA-free polishes, all of the magic they've been coming out with, I've been so impressed, but nothing prepared me for these babies. So first of all, I just want to read the steps for you, and then we're just going to go into all of the magic. In this package, they give you everything you need for a salon-quality finished manicure without any of the fuss. You can achieve a perfect manicure in just 3 steps. Peel, stick, and file. No drying time is required. Each kit includes everything you need: 22 nail strips, 2 cleaning wipes, 1 wood stick, and 1 nail file. It is important to note that you must clean your phalanges before you go on with the sticking. But I think this is such an amazing idea. And first off, the fact that it is already cured, for all you babes that have gel allergies and all sorts of things, I believe you can apply these on similar to press-ons and not have any of the worry of having allergy reactions. So I am freaking out. Now, I already have a base coat on, so I'm just gently pushing back. Now, I already did all of my cuticle work, so again, this is just gentle and mostly for demonstration purposes. And I am going to literally show you how easy this is. Now, these retail for $7.99 each, and on Susie's website, melodiesusie.com, you can get an array of so many different beautiful designs. And it's really your creativity. There are ones that are just base colors that you can apply stickers or art onto, and then there's ones like the one I'm holding that has everything, including the design, and I am living for it. As we get into the application, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this product. So first of all, I am ridiculously excited to share my review of Susie's Qcoat fully cured nail strips. These are such a game changer for quick and easy manicures. If you're like me and always on the go, you'll love these. Susie's fully cured strips are literally just that, meaning you can get salon quality look in no time without any hassle. No more waiting for your nails to dry, just apply and go. The application process is a breeze. You literally peel, stick, and press them onto your nails. Now, for the best adhesion, I did use their wooden stick around the cuticles, the free edge, the sidewalls to get that perfect customized fit. For moments when you need an express manicure, this is the best part. There's no extra curing in the lamp. It's all already done for you. So you literally just apply and go. Now, I was quite shocked. My natural nails were actually too long for this nail strip. So during the filing process, I do shape them so that they fit perfectly. And also, it's important to note when you are filing to only go in one direction. Now, what I really love and appreciate about these are how accessible they are for everyone. If you have a condition that affects dexterity, or you find it difficult to use traditional polish, these strips are a lifesaver. They're super easy to apply and don't require any intricate tools or techniques. As I was saying earlier, for all you with allergies, this gel is already cured. As long as you avoid getting it on your skin, you shouldn't have any issues with irritation. It makes it so much easier to enjoy all of these stunning designs without any of the fuff, without any of the faffing or worrying about reactions. Overall, I'm loving these Melody Susie Qcoat nail strips. They're quick and easy and give you gorgeous nails without any struggle, especially when you're busy or if you have any condition that affects dexterity. I recommend these 10 out of 10. As you can see, I am using the gorgeous strips as almost a viewfinder so that I can look at my sidewalls and make sure that these fit perfectly before I peel them off. And what I really love is the previous one I grabbed was not the proper size, so I just peeled that baby off, put her right back on the sheet, and went. I love that your sticker is, or your nail wrap, is encapsulated on both sides with a film. So you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. You see here, I didn't feel comfortable. That was not going to cover my sidewall, so I went over to a larger size. And I love how easy this is to use. Again, this is my first time with the product, so I was expecting that maybe it wasn't going to turn out exactly the best, or I was going to have issues with wrinkling. Oh, nay, nay. This laid down like it was made for me, because it was. It was made for you. It was made for anybody that wants a quick salon quality manicure. But literally, you're not cutting out any of the steps. They've done the steps for you by curing it and achieving these amazing designs. You just have to find your right fit, like Cinderella, press these bad girls on, and you are good to go. As you, my beautiful nail family, knows, I love hand painting beautiful nail art creations. But I also know my limitations, and living with chronic pain and also having severe nerve damage in my arms, with my non-dominant hand, I struggle. I'm always trying to think of fun things to do to elevate my right hand game, if you will. Because as you know, when you're using your non-dominant hand to paint your right hand, there can always be little nuances or details that you worry about because, again, you're working with your non-dominant hand. So I actually wanted to test this out with my non-dominant and see how easy it is to use. And though you can see, obviously, there's the little weirdness of working with your non-dominant hand, I was able to apply these so perfect. And I really do believe for somebody like me that struggles with a lot of pain, to be able to have such an amazing design on my nail without worrying about my dexterity in that hand, I was losing it. I think this is amazing. And this is why I say it's accessible for all, because it doesn't matter if you struggle with dexterity or anything like that. If you have a quick event you have to go to, if you're going on a date with your babe to go to the movies or to go for dinner and you are sitting there with bare nails, you don't have to worry. And the effortless shine on these nail wraps, I was screaming. Now, I do encourage you to, once you're completely finished, give it a top coat, whether that's with regular lacquer or a gel polish. I really do encourage that just to seal everything in and ensure that when you're washing your hands if ever anything was to apply any pressure to the side of that nail wrap, that you won't have any lifting. Besides that, I have nothing to say bad about these nail strips. I am so in love. I would just implore the company. I know they give you 22 sizes, but I truly believe if they gave a few more half sizes of the bigger variety, so for your middle, your ring finger, your pointer, if they gave some bigger sizes, even for the thumb, and when I say bigger sizes, I'm literally talking about half sizes. Everybody's nails are so customizable, so beautiful, so unique that it's not a one size fits all. And they do give a wide variety. But speaking from somebody with such large nail beds, you can't really tell, but those girls be wide and they're large. So I did have a little bit of issue on this middle finger, and I did use the largest one available. And there was a tiny bit visible of my natural nail on the sidewalls. So that literally is my only thing that I would encourage them to do if this is something that's going to be a permanent on their website and for their store. I would say just a couple more half sizes, nothing crazy. Maybe if you include 28 or 25 stickers, just include a couple of those half sizes. I think it would just completely take this where it is accessible to everybody, and you can literally just run and you can have a manicure on the go. You could be on a plane ride, visiting somewhere, on vacation, and you could do these. That's how easy they are. And as I expressed, you do not need any form of nail lamp to cure these. They are already fully cured. So the only way you're going to have to take that lamp out is if you're putting additional stickers and then you're top coating. And again, you can use a lacquer or anything of your choosing, a matte top coat, anything that makes your heart happy. Now, this is just what gets me so fired up and excited about this channel, is I am so passionate about all things when it comes to nail art, when it comes to nails, and I've never tried a product like this. I have tried nail decals, water slides, stickers, foils, things of that nature to get that quick design or intricacies that don't require the same amount of fine hand painting. But the fact that this already has the design in it, my heart was pumping. This is giving me Korean vibes with this light blush aura. And the gold embellishments on this, I was screaming. You're going to see later on, I do try to jazz it up with some chrome powder. But honestly, they did all the jazzing for me. I did not need to do anything, and I just ended up wiping it off. Because just the sheer milky white of these, the few accent nails, and then the pops of the aura nails, I was just in love. Even the little heart decal, when you move it back and forth, it almost has a cat eye effect where it moves. It's like a light source moves within the heart. Yo, there's not enough praise that I can say for this product. I am so excited. When I first signed up for the Melody Susie Manicurist Growth Program, I didn't realize that there would be such a vast array of products. Again, your mind just goes straight to gel polishes and things of that nature, but they really do think of everything. They have sent me rhinestone glue, rhinestones, different stickers and decals, HEMA-free polishes, syrup polishes, top coats, like all of this deliciousness. But this has been one of my favorite things they've ever sent. This is really them thinking outside the box and just really doing the hard work for you, and I am here for it. To anybody that is inspired and wants to try these baddies out, again, they are $7.99 US dollars. So $7.99, almost $8. And I think that that is ridiculously affordable, especially when you start thinking about how much a full manicure would be. Not only that, they do provide a bundle. Now I'm just going to quickly scroll through their website. It is on sale right now for $72.99, and you can actually get that bumped down to like $65 if you use my code RAVENS12. And that includes five of these amazing gel strips fully cured, stickers, a nail lamp, and top coat. So y'all, what are you waiting for? Melody Susie already cooked this all up in their nail shop, and now all you have to do is press, seal, and go. Perfect manicure has never been so accessible. And I did want to show you the underside of my nail to show you there's nothing hanging over and that this just hugged my nail to perfection. Oh, I can hear the sirens going off. Don't let the nail jail get you. You got to run on over and grab these. Now I am going to quickly show you what this looks like with a little bit of chrome. But as I was saying, this is just so stinking darling. It didn't need anything. It did not need one thing. And I can't get over, I went for a walk with my little fur nephew and I got stopped and somebody was like losing it. I'm not gonna lie, they did use my name because they know me. I'm a very friendly gal. So they're just like, Raven, oh my gosh, you did it again. And I was like, actually, these were made for me by Melody Susie. They have taken the grunt work out of your nail manicure, and these are fully cured nail wraps. And she just looked at me like I was crazy. She's like, what do you mean fully cured? Like, they were cured in a C shape? I was like, no, baby, they're flat. And they just hug your nail to perfection. She even had to run her fingers across my nail, and she was just losing it. So not only are you going to have show-stopping nails, but you're probably going to have people stopping you in the street just to ask you where you got your nails done. And you can say, at my home salon with Melody Susie's Qcoat nail strips. I love you guys so much. I really hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. This was so incredibly fun to film, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. And as I always say, do all things with love. If you guys have anything else you'd like to see on the channel, please feel free to comment. Love you!